Hello everybody, today we are playing Cooking Simulator. We're in a kitchen. Probably because the game is called Cooking Simulator. Okay, today we are making a juicy hamburger. Okay, we need to get our ingredients. We need our buns. We need our meat. And we need our condiments. Oops. Okay, looks like we're only using ketchup today. Okay, today I'm going to also show you how to make a good hamburger. So you need to turn your stove on. Slap the meat on the stove. And then while you wait for that to cook, you get your sauce. And you squirt the sauce on there. On the buns. You know you put enough of ketchup on when your buns do this. If they are soggy, then that's good. If they are not soggy, you gotta put on more. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my. Come on. Come on. Where'd it go? Come on. Come on. Oh, there these are. Oh, I forgot something. I need the cheese. Yeah, the cheese. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper. You can't forget the cheese. Okay, got your cheese, and then you just go. What is this? It says fire. That must mean your food is fire if you put this on your food. We gotta go put this on our meat. Yeah. 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 Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, that if it does that, that's actually a really good thing. It can get your food like all the way up. That means it's gonna really cook your food. It's gonna make it like spectacular. It's gonna make it wonderful. Oh my gosh! You know, the blackness is actually a good thing. I bet if you just rubbed it off, it will go away. No, it's not going away. It's not going away. Okay, nobody ever saw anything. Okay, nobody ever saw anything. Nobody ever saw it.